Hey guys, it's Triple C Collectibles back. I'm Hunter, and this is Connor, as always. And today we got another mystery box from my eBay guy, because they're never going to end, I guess. So we're going to go through that. And
then I got my mystery mail call from Comic Tom, so I figured to open that with you guys. There's a lot of cool exclusives in there, so hopefully we get one of those. Probably not, because I never get anything fun, but, you know, maybe we'll grab one of them out. I haven't looked at them yet, and I've been waiting to do it for a video, but I had to wait for Hunter to get off work, so... We're a couple days late on the mystery mail call thing, but we got a couple of that and got a couple spec books, and let's just crack right into it. We'll start with Hunter's box and
hopefully get another Young X-Men number 1 or whatever.
Get something cool in there.
So I got 3 boxes here, but I'm probably just going to be going through the one because the other 2 are just more Conan.
Common Conans.
Whoever would have thought about some Conan, right?
I mean, I do like me some Conan. Especially if you got number 23, which is the real first appearance of Red Sonja.
Alright, we're going to say this again.
What? Oh, wait, we said this already?
Yeah, the last video.
You know, they just really know that I want that freaking Conan.
Alright, so, I mean, to start it off, it gets you excited with a little bit of Immortal Hulk, but...
No, the covers by Alex Ross are so cool.
They're really, really cool, yeah.
Just really nice covers by Alex Ross on these.
I wish it was number 2. I would have had the first appearance of,
Professor whatever.
Fry, yeah.
Yeah, Fry.
And then, I'm just going to start it off with some Incredible Hulk. We got number 404. 403. I don't know if you can see any of these. Hopefully it's 402 because runs are fun.
Runs are
402,
fun.
but it's like glued together.
Yeah,
so
everything's just stuck together.
Oh wait, no, I got it. 402.
Hunter got all kinds of
401
runs in here.
403, 402. This is 401.
Are they going down or up?
Oh, I got 400. That's the first appearance of somebody. It's Professor Hulk or something.
Oh, that's cool.
I might already have this one in my collection, but I'm pretty sure it's water damage, so it's nice to upgrade. And under that, I have 367.
What the heck did they do here? Look at all these weird numbers we got going.
Well, what happens after 367? 366. And then we go back to 404. So this guy must just, like, yeet his box into another box.
We got just, like, a bunch of randomly numbered ones in here.
Whoa, wait, calm down. There was one of them I saw that was actually a good one, the X Factor one.
That's all I went through so far.
Okay, yeah, you haven't got to that one yet.
Okay.
These are all.
I have no idea about Hulk, so I'll just be our sexy little showgirl.
This one, this is like a $30 book, if I remember correctly.
What is that?
Hulk and the X-Factor. I'm pretty sure these are Todd McFarlane covers at some point. Number 340 is in there. We got ourselves a huge book. Oh, cool. We got 419 and stuff.
Sure. Yeah, I know nothing about Hulk. I'm only Spider-Man, basically, so let me know when we get back to the front, because I'm just kind of cycling.
415. I think that's the front.
All right.
But I really love this cover. It's like one of my favorite 300s covers. I don't really have much of the 300s because most of them were unrightfully taken from me from a different story, but...
That's my story. Oh, you got Moon Knight in here, too?
Yes, sir.
Love Moon Knight.
I have no idea what any of these are. What is that? 412.
We did have a Werewolf by Night at one point that I sold a couple years back, but, you know, at the time it seemed good, but now it's worth like 3 times what we sold it for, so... The heck, that's really thick.
Oh, that's thick. Here's a 12.
Oh, I have 2 books together. Never mind.
It's fine. What's that? Oh, that's a cool cover.
These are weird art. Who did these?
I know McFarlane in some of the earlier 300s, but I don't know.
He's almost like McFarlane to me, though.
Yeah, those are like the later ones. Everything is just, you know.
Back to the front.
One of those Moon Knight.
Mark Spector Moon Knights.
You know anything about these?
Not at all. And none of them are bagged and boarded, so...
What else is new?
I'm just not going to hold them up, but... Some
cool Moon Knight. Cool cover.
Oh, here we go. Here's some bagged and boarded ones. So we got Moon Knight. You know, he has a series coming to Netflix or Hulu, Marvel Plus, Disney Plus. There's a series coming out for Moon Knight, and they're specking that maybe Werewolf by Night will be in that, or Moon Knight will be included as like a protagonist of an antagonist in Werewolf by Night series.
How about Man-Wolf though? That's what we all are waiting for.
We all really want the Man-Wolf movie, but sadly that may never come.
I blame that on you.
I did single-handedly take down Man-Wolf.
Oh.
There's some cool covers for Moon Knight, but that is not the first... Oh, it's Mark Spector Moon Knight.
I have no idea who Mark Spector even is. So.
That's Moon Knight's, like, secret identity.
Oh, so it's like Bruce Banner.
Yeah, he has, like, schizophrenia. He's pretty cool. He's
Moon Knight has schizophrenia?
Yeah.
No wonder he came out Werewolf by Night. Like,
who
the
the
heck?
Really good timing by me. Yeah, he has schizophrenia. He got powers from some kind of moon god, from an Egyptian pyramid.
Ra?
Ra's the sun god, isn't he?
I never won because everybody needs the first issue. So it looks like we just have a
we just have a bunch of Mark
Spector,
which are like
you should know this. It has a Spider-Man in it. Technically the best issue.
Heating down the week right there.
Look at Punisher. This is like...
it's like the same cover as...
what we're gonna do is move the Punisher to a different side. What we got here
we
is
got a different background color.
Spider-Man literally just jumped.
They literally just mirrored. They literally just mirrored.
We had
the
number
cover.
20. Where the heck's number 20?
Probably in there somewhere. I just kind of flipped through them. But yeah, these are all like.
Oh,
dollar
there it
bill
is. There's
books.
Spider-Man.
There it is.
Oh! It's like one of those like little like flippy things. You go flip
Yeah,
through the books.
done.
I don't think there's any more. We just got 20.
Yeah, we just.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, nothing crazy. Oh, Brother Voodoo. He's gonna be included in the universe somewhere.
And at least have to have something about them. Like, I don't know anything about Moon Knight, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean,
I just
know
wanted
a
the
little
Hulks.
bit. He's cool. He's like Batman, but with schizophrenia, so that makes him even cooler.
How many times are you gonna say that?
Schizophrenia.
Schizophrenia.
Put that description.
Schizophrenia. Is a real thing.
And then, all right, this is a box that I ordered quite a while ago, so it's got some cool exclusives in it and a couple cool covers. So you got Venom number 150. I think that this is it's a minor key of some sort. It's worth like $15, $10, but I got it for like $1.
That's a really cool cover. Venom's like one of my favorite villains of all time.
Then we got the oh, you're pulling the camera down.
Oh, I did it bad.
It's all bobbled all over. We got the Art Germ variant of Batman number 92. I'm not sure if this is or if a different one. The Batman 91, I think. Is that the one we got?
They have like 65 different.
Yeah, this was at one point considered the first cover appearance, but you know, COVID really messed up all the timelines, so not really sure, but it's a cool cover either way.
Complimentary hair with that one.
Yeah,
too.
love me some Art Germ though. Then we got this cool Art Germ, I think, yeah, Art Germ Magic. Sorry for ruining the next one, but Art Germ Magic cover of X-Men New Mutants number 1.
And what? Nobody.
And then
knows.
we got the Spider-Woman, the new series. I got I have like 10 different covers of this, but this is the Ryan Gonzalez, and it's pretty, like, I like all the colors. He also did a Jenica cover for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That was pretty cool. But I just wanted this for the PC because I just like the cover a lot. Plus, I like the little cat.
Yeah, Doc Ock is looking real chill now. Looks like
Now.
one of never mind. Alvin and the Chipmunks. Looks like
Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Took me a little bit to figure out.
All right. So now it's Mystery Mail Call time. I'm really, really hoping I get one of the exclusives, but as custom, I probably won't. So first off, we got Injustice 2. Probably a $1 bin book. Nothing crazy.
Oh, he just takes my Immortal Hulk for himself.
We got a cool little print here. Oh, here's the exclusives that I won't be getting, but hopefully, maybe we'll get it. I got a print. That's cool.
Well, you got freaking pro wrestling in there somewhere last month.
Yeah. There's an Artist Piper little mini print that's included again. Here's a Artist Piper another print in color.
What on earth? That's not even like a real book.
Image
it's like one of those
First
true believers.
Morning Glories.
Oh, you got something old in there. It looks like cool.
Something old. Oh, cool. Morning Glories, or no, not really sure what that is either. So far, not great.
Oh, a Thor book.
Legion of Superheroes. Rest in peace? ? We got Thor. It was $5. Probably still is $5. Probably even less. Thor number 361. Cool. Wonderful.
Hey, it's his exclusive.
It's the exclusive that you get no matter what. The Peach Momoko headless version. It's a really, really sick cover though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not super mad about this, but
I want this one.
I wanted Let It Eats What Feeds It. I might have to pick one off eBay. But yeah, the headless Peach Momoko, she's on fire. We have a bunch of Peach Momoko books coming that we're going to show you guys. Might just do an entire video dedicated to Peach because we've been buying a lot. Yeah, I recently got the Samurai of Oz metal cover. Sorry about that, guys. A little bit of technical difficulties there. The video kind of shut off when we were talking about Peach because the camera just got so excited about it. But yeah, we're going to be doing a video dedicated to all that kind of stuff because I have a ton of books coming in, spent a lot of money on it, and
I mean, that was a good investment. I'd say so.
Yeah,
I mean,
but it's a lot of fun. But now to the part you've all been waiting for, the winner of the contest from last week.
we have two amazing commenters. We have one which was Cole, who was last week's giveaway.
He won the thing last week, so.
And we had another guy named
Nicky
Larson.
Nicky Larson, yeah. So drum roll. And Nicky Larson won. So Nicky, if you want to just message us, we'll send you out a prize pack and. We'll get that all squared away. Send you some cool books out of the PC. So, all right. So, like, comment, subscribe. Triple C Collectibles.
Thank you, guys.